keep up. Today, we're going to be focusing on our Yoko Aruki kind of things, right? So, are you okay? You're starting to vibrate your pants already? If you pee yourself, okay, so we'll start off just kind of, it starts in mod 2, right? So we're going to start off with two forms of it. You guys Okay, so just a quick reminder to those of you who are below the rank of black belt, Shinobi-kai, I know you're in that program, but don't forget to show up for your regular classes, for your actual stuff, because this class, I'm teaching at second dan and above, so keep up. Today, we're going to be focusing on our Yoko Aruki kind of things, right? So, are you okay? You're starting to vibrate your pants already? If you pee yourself, okay, so we'll start off just kind of, it starts in mod 2, right? So we're going to start off with two forms of it. You guys already know this. It's a good review because we haven't worked on it in a while. Sometimes it's called Ichimonji walking, right? So we'll start in an Ichimonji base kind of position, right? And just getting this footwork to happen, right? This is the basic type of walking, right? So when you're moving, if we can see this, right? Walking, side edge of the foot goes down. When one's flat, the other one is prepped and ready to go. So don't land flat foot. That throws everything off. This way. As the weight transitions to one foot, the other one comes up. See it? 1, 2, 3. Right? Get good at this kind of movement. Keep your weight centered. Yes? Okay, good. Get more candy. This is going to start. It's going to suck out a lot. Big muscles. I know your big muscles are up here. Big muscles. Yes, that's true. Anyway, good thing I don't care what kind of glare your wife does, because she'll just yell at you when you get home. This way. Okay. Here. Shift, transition the weight. Okay, okay, find some space, play around. You're ready to crash too. Okay, when you're doing this, let's make sure that I stay at the screen here. When you're doing this, do not, you ever see the movie Ghostbusters? Not the latest crap version. Okay. Remember the statement, don't cross the streams? Okay. Don't cross your knees. Okay. What I mean by that is, okay, this is a variation, and there's times when you might do this, but for general work and including stealth, don't bypass the knees. The reason for that is if you're doing stealth work, right, your knees are lined up. If you need to relax or rest a leg, you can rest it on the calf of the forward leg. Take the pressure off of it, okay? So if you overshoot it at a certain point, you're going to be falling to that foot, which means you're going to make more noise, okay? So knee to knee. Knee to knee. Okay. I have to do this much more slowly because I don't even think about it anymore. When this foot goes flat again, the heel of this one will automatically come up. Okay. It's just like when we're walking this way. Heel, flat of heel, not tip of heel. We're not military. This way, as the weight transitions over this, see what happens with the back foot. This kind of thing. Moving from the hara. You know that thing you cut open to show everybody that you're not a liar? Except you're not. Last thing I ever do is prove that I'm not a liar. Okay, let's go. If you leave this class tonight and your butt and thighs do not hurt, you didn't do this right. Or you have like steel. You should be able to do this perfectly. You're wearing ninja shoes. Don't cross your feet either. Okay, so you guys are doing this. Okay, don't cross your feet. Okay, line up so that the heel of the back foot is lined up with this inner edge of your front foot, and keep that. So when I'm here, this leg is now not in the way of that leg. If you have to do this when you're moving, you're going to be throwing your balance off. Okay. Hey, you're welcome. Come here for it. Come further out.
Kids.
Yeah. Bend the knees, get lower, lower the hips, fire your lower abdominal muscles, and pull your butt under. Okay, you got that part, right? Because there's other cool stuff I want to do, even though this is the cool stuff. But if you can't do this, you can't do the rest of it. Okay. Two basic types of Ichimonji walking. When we're looking at just using the Ichimonji, the Yoko Aruki. Okay, we're going to be doing a bunch tonight. Combat with swords, without swords, all kinds of cool stuff, right? I know. I just changed my mind at the end, right? Yeah, he sent me a message. Do I need to bring any weapons? And I went, no, we're just working Yoko Aruki. And then as I was doing my little lesson plan in my head, I'm like, hey, let's do this. And if your brain even went to, he did that just to mess me up, that's all on you, because I didn't. I don't even put that on. Just see these. Watch my foot. Watch my foot. All right. So first one for stealth. Okay. Now the arms are going to get involved. Okay. So if I'm doing this for stealth, when the legs are open, the arms are crossed. It's a balance thing. Okay. As my legs go to cross, my arms need to be opening. All right. Good. As the legs open. Okay. There's wiring between the shoulders and the hips. Okay. So legs are open, arms are crossed. Keep your head up, shifting. Right? Watch the timing. Right? If you really start to pay attention to how your body operates, you'll know when you're trying to make things happen a little bit more than your body allows for. Right? Open, closing. Same time. Same time. It's just like punching, right? One arm is synced to one leg. Yes? Okay, make sure you work both directions. Let's go. Your legs are open, so your arms should be crossed. Okay, so you're doing this as well. Watch my torso. When your rear leg moves, you're letting your torso drift. Right? Maintain the archer's position. Maintain the archer's position. Don't let this happen. Watch the shoulder. Don't let this happen. Maintain the archer's position. Ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, hips over feet. You do this, the lines are different. All right, let's go. Right now, keep looking forward. Pick something that you're walking toward and keep your eyes on it.
This stuff is short. This step that you're in right now. Yeah, this one.
Starter page.
It's a short steps like
I was thinking that. First page. You get this one.
Wait, no,
And then
this
you get this one.
more.
But I was making a point to go.
There's more than this one. Out front.
I don't want the cool kids. It's
This.
Bending your knees. This is more.
That's how. Here. Here.
Step over. Stay your foot.
Yeah, but that goes to that.
It's that way. You just get to
Rocking chair.
right back up.
Can't do rocking chair. On your hand. It's a noisy ninja. Okay, so same, okay? About every 3 steps, okay? About every 3 steps, you're gonna look behind and then move again. I'm having you do that, but if you want, right, every time you shift, you can look, but please make sure that your head is turning on your spinal axis and not doing what a lot of you do. Not you. Okay?
Also includes rotating the shoulders. Compensate.
Turn your head, right? Just like this, right? A lot of you, when you turn your head, your shoulder drifts. You're presenting targets. Right? Not maintaining that archer position and moving this way. You keep doing this, friends hit shot. I'm sure I'm going to hit somebody on the battle line. Yeah, well, how about starting with the guy right in front of you? Yeah. Make sure your arms are crossed at your hara, not up here, down here. Not up here, down here. If you come up here, you're going to lift your body up, and then when you take that next step, it's going to sink, and you're going to have to be extra heavy. Right? Okay. 1, pay attention. 1, 2,